Hi friends, in this video, we will learn about the various methods useful for converting the case of a string. String objects have access to various methods that are useful for converting the case of characters in a string. Some of these methods are lower, upper, title, swapcase, and capitalize. Let us go through each of these methods in detail. Lower method is useful for converting all cased characters into lowercase. For example, let us assign a string Python with capital P and capital Y to variable s. Now, on executing s.lower returns the string Python with all characters in lowercase. Upper method is useful for converting all cased characters into uppercase. For example, let us assign a string Python with capital P and capital Y to variable s. Now, executing s.upper returns the string Python with all characters in uppercase. Moving on to the next method, the swapcase method converts all uppercase characters into lowercase characters and all lowercase characters into uppercase characters. For example, let us assign a string Python with capital P and capital Y to variable s. Now, executing s.swapcase returns the string Python with P and Y in lowercase and THON in uppercase. The next string method, capitalize, converts the first character in a string into uppercase and rest all characters into lowercase. For example, let us assign a string EdPunk Python with all lowercase characters to variable s. Now, executing s.capitalize returns the string EdPunk Python with the first character e in uppercase and rest all characters are in lowercase. Let us move on to the last case conversion method. The title method converts the first character of each word in the string into uppercase and the remaining characters into lowercase. For example, let us assign a string edpunk space python with all lowercase characters to variable s. Now, executing s.title returns the string edpunk space python with the first character of each word, that is e and p in uppercase, and the remaining characters are in lowercase.